o compare kero Governor James Ongwae nge governor na right now kero Mheshimiwa Simbale governor. There is an extremely big difference. And Nchevuno mo senator egasiane no gukora oversight. So I've been going through the books via Simba. I've been raising these issues. Oligere gusi tiganja akere very basic.
Okay.
Yende nyagitali ere bosongo ga. It's a shame. It's a shame. You see our people, Mheshimiwa James Ongwae left nyagitali area functional, the structures were working. Mother and child no yarenge, Doctor's Plaza was working, GCT scan were working. Ekere tu ajiete, we were supposed to set up a system, a digital. Ya wane to kuligerie bintu birugusi enyagitali KTRH, then kero muruira achire record chia toka nga kiarwale te record yebo enyagitali wane tutwara numbers za yawe enyagitali chi program wako manage mesara wakulia. We wanted a system SHS account style kuibo. Amaliogo was supposed to be available. You award your amenity and is supposed to be functional. Chi sub county health facility chonstiro. Ocho una aga igase tumuso ocho nyagitali era ne Mheshimiwa James Ongwae akoleta abegeta. Chi machine go chiajite ene project ya renge ya World Bank. Chi machine jigaja ni waited last week. Ochi arusi ku chonspi oneta yo manyete ngaicha ngaichi agenda na negisi gokora. Ocha mangani town yebuno irega.
Right.
Yerigererie. Also go compare a town yo warabu bwaye o compare bana biasara be town. Moisonde na tebunga rates chamentru. Gatebunga without consultation. There should be public hearings. Oboli abantonga ntobwato bokongwichi besa. Can we please discuss to agree or send 50 shillings in comment or send 100 or send 1,000? Nothing. Ko check revenue account ya collectively. The approximation generation is supposed to be 1.2 billion. Irenga chitogete 600 million. But again, to shocking is that Kisii level 6, I don't know, 7 hospital to ebuate pending bills wano checker 1.2 billion.